Alright, so welcome to another video tutorial on CSS layout. So this time we're going to add a logo in our header section. Okay, so there are websites that uses only text logo, and there are other websites that uses logo that they layout. Okay, so you can create your own logo. Okay, so it would be better if you create your own logo. Okay, so in my case, I just edited a picture, and this is the logo that I am going to use, and rename it as logo. Okay, so this is a JPG file. Okay, so let's go to our index HTML. So we're going to add a logo in this section. Okay, in our header section. Okay, so img is the tag for the image. Img src is equals to logo.jpg. Okay, and then Control S. Let's see what happened. Okay, so look at that. So it is so big, right? See that? Okay, so we have to add a style for our logo. In our header part, we can use the img selector, and then let us use the max width into 100%. And max height is also 100%. Control S. Let's see what happened here. There you go. See? So the default place is on the left side of your screen. Okay, so it will automatically go on the left side of your screen. What if you wanted to put it on the right side of your screen? Okay, so if we wanted it to put in the right, so we just have to type float and then right. Refresh. Okay, so it is floating to the right. So what if we wanted it in the center? We can add display block. Okay, margin left. We can add this code. Margin to the left will be auto. Margin from the right will also be auto. Okay, Control S and then refresh. There you go. So your logo is in the center. It will center all the way to the left and all the way to the right. So that's it for this video, and on the next video we are going to add a little tile box, okay, in our main content. Okay, see you on the next video. Thank you.